Your facility is at its best when it's clean, safe, and healthy for all your occupants. Rocket Industrial ensures you can provide that environment for the lowest overall cost. Our process starts with a discovery visit to learn your operations and develop recommendations based on your cleaning needs. Then we deliver the right mix of supplies, systems, and training while continuously working to lower your total operational costs. Our recommendations are backed by knowledgeable experts, ready to provide customized cleaning solutions for facilities in education, healthcare, hospitality, commercial, industrial, government, and retail industries. Our vendor-managed inventory programs can remove out-of-stock issues entirely and pairs perfectly with our deep e-commerce platform. Our growing list of distribution centers means those supplies are always nearby. Facility challenges come in multiple forms. Rocket Industrial provides solutions that reduce absenteeism, improve productivity, and increase customer satisfaction. We provide facility health and risk assessments that cover your high touchpoint areas, regulatory compliance, and sustainability audits. Equipment service and repair with a dedicated on-call team for ensuring optimal performance. Personalized education and training programs designed to improve the efficiency and safety of your staff. Business reviews, because understanding your goals is just the beginning, and achieving them is how we measure ourselves. Get started at rocketindustrial.com/facilitycare. Schedule a discovery visit and learn how teaming up with Rocket Industrial could make your facility cleaner, safer, and healthier while reducing your overall costs.